From the news desk of NaijaNews TV, activist and social media personality Vincent Martins Otse, popularly known as VeryDarkMan (VDM), has vowed to investigate allegations of fraud, forgery, and music royalty theft against gospel music executive Ezekiel Tangard, also known as Easy T. VDM's decision to probe the matter comes amid growing controversy surrounding the record label boss, who has faced multiple accusations from past signees of contract forgery, manipulation, rights theft, and financial mismanagement. In a statement, VDM admitted he initially had no interest in investigating the issue, but felt compelled after analyzing the situation. "I will go find what I need to find," he stated, adding, "I've seen the claims and the counterclaims, and I want to know what really happened." VDM also raised concerns over alleged attempt to control the narrative by paying bloggers to shape public opinion. He expressed skepticism about certain narratives presented in the media and vowed to carry out an independent investigation. "I will analyze the full video. Some people may not be happy about it, but it is what it is," he said. We will continue to monitor this developing story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.